implemented a collaborative project to capacitate 1,066 agrarian reform cooperatives. 77 cooperatives were also rehabilitated and 62 were assisted in their registration. CDA-DTI collaboration. The Co-op Seed is a holistic capacity building project that promotes the sustainability of micro and small cooperatives through good cooperative governance, management, and regulatory compliance. Marawi rehabilitation through cooperativism. Internally displaced persons who are members of qualified cooperatives were provided business and livelihood assistance. As of December 2018, the project surpassed its initial target, reaching 103 beneficiaries, translated to 7,277 individual member coverage. ASEDAC. In September 2021, the Philippines hosted the 27th ASEAN Center for the Development of Agricultural Cooperatives Board meeting. The 10 ASEAN member states joined the forum and discussed the progress of cooperation projects under the Plan of Action for the ASEAN Cooperation. CDA Polo OWA Partnership. CDA and Polo OWA partnered to provide orientation on cooperatives to the OFWs as part of the reintegration program into society once they return to the Philippines. Application Programming Interface with the Davao City Cooperative Development Office. This application provides data access from Davao City CCDO to the CDA Head Office database. Davao City CCDO provided a list of dataset requirements, and the CDA Head Office worked on the API implementation. The agency developed the Cooperative Business Matching Information System, a database aimed for business matching, with the cooperatives giving them the opportunity to export their products through e-commerce. Through this system, Co-op-Biz was created. Partnership with government financial institutions. CDA helped micro and small cooperatives gain financial access by linking them with government financial institutions such as Land Bank, DBP, Small Business Guarantee Corporation. The Special Assistance for Recovery and Alleviation, SARA. This aims to help cooperatives that are devastated by calamities to recover and rebuild their systems and operation. A total of 150 cooperatives were provided financial assistance by the CDA under this program. CDA PCSO Health Program. CDA became one of the recipients of the mandatory contributions of PCSO for 2022, which will be derived from the net charity fund of the 6-digit lotto game. The fund will be used for health and medical assistance for cooperative members. Organization, development and empowerment of coconut farmer organizations. In the implementation of the Coconut Farmers and Industry Trust Fund Act that was signed by President Duterte, the CDA and LGUs were given the mandate to organize and empower coconut farmer organizations. ISDA on the Go. The Philippine Fisheries Development Authority's flagship corporate social responsibility project aims to deliver high-quality fresh frozen fishery products to consumers at very affordable prices. 60 beneficiaries were identified nationwide. Interconnectivity. This program provides wireless access for micro and small cooperatives in far-flung areas, ensuring that no Filipino will be left behind under the new normal. Transportation modernization. 10,000 units have been acquired in compliance with the Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program. Digitization and digitalization. Electronic Tracking Management Information System is a digitization platform that promotes efficiency, echoing President's call for the ease of doing business. Construction of CDA buildings. In 2021, the groundbreaking ceremony for the proposed 16-story CDA tower was conducted. Several buildings and regional offices are also in the works. A year after, CDA, DPWH, and NHA inked an agreement for the housing project for the CDA employees. To date, CDA has registered 18,857 cooperatives with 11.9 million strong cooperative members. It has given employment to 361,200 Filipinos, giving contribution to the country's economy with 568.1 billion pesos in assets, with net surplus of 23.1 billion pesos. The Cooperative Development Authority is only one of the government agencies that propels towards inevitable growth. The cooperative movement has proven its resiliency even during the challenging times of a global pandemic. As we progress in developing our country's economy, we will continue and strengthening the institution through programs and plans, intensifying partnerships, and going beyond limits. Change is coming. Change has happened. Change will continue.
Mr. President, in closing, coming from your directive, we'd like to thank you for giving the CDA a boost to improve our services rendered to the cooperative sector. And we assure you, Mr. President, that the CDA will work harder, not only to remember your legacy, but our commitment to the Filipino people. Daghang salamat, sir.
In response, I would like to say this actually. Whatever little improvement that we have made on the lives of our countrymen, basi gaano kaliit, yung malaki na dumating, mas maganda. Pero kung nakatulong tayo, even how little or meager it was, medyo kontento ako. I'm happy that the agencies working under me were really working for the benefit of the people. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Daghang salamat, sir.
And I guess wala namang, there's no more in the program. Undersecretary Incabo is the last speaker. So I would just like to make a parting message to the Filipino people. Sabi ko, maybe this will be the last of the programs na we adapted to improve the communication between the people and the government. Actually, ang purpose lang dito is marami kasing, alam mo, politika. Whether you like it or not, the president is a politician. May mga kalaban talaga yan sa politika. And so, all throughout almost the 6 years, I was hindi ko naman pinapansin yan kasi matagal na akong mayor. And I've been through it sa buong 23 years ko. Sanay ako sa politika na this time, itong talagang ayaw lang matalo at ano man ang gawin mo ito, masama ka. Gawin mo yon, masama ka rin. So, the better policy is just to ignore them. And that's what we did. We never bothered to even to hear what they were uttering or complaining about. Baski na no amount of hard work and no amount of effort that you pour on the projects, whatever undertakings that are done for the benefit of the country. So, kaya ito na nagawa ko, kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito yung forum or platform na malaman ninyo ang totoo. Because we do not have any reason to lie. Wala kaming iniimbentong istorya. Yung totoo lang. Kaya sabi ko makinig kayo dito. And apparently, from the feedbacks that I got for all of these months or years, we were able to connect with the people and tell them what's the truth at ano yung mga plano. So, we have now on the last chapter. Let me just basahin ko na lang. Yung the coming transition, the transfer of power. As we approach June 30, this administration is both ready and eager to hand over the reins of government to our incoming leaders. I assure everyone that this process will be smooth and peaceful, as we want the next administration to succeed for the benefit of country. I urge my fellow Filipinos to rally behind and support our new leaders so that they can build on the gains we have achieved these past 6 years. We must all be united in confronting the issues ahead of us. We have no room for politicking or go into a divisive exercise in whatever endeavors that you can think of, just to divide the country. Huwag natin gawin yan. So, various challenges, both natural and man-made, also continue to test our resolve as a nation and a people. Let us continue to unite and show compassion with one another so we may overcome all of these challenges. My fellow Filipinos, the next administration needs all our support and solidarity. Let us therefore give them our goodwill and our best wishes as they endeavor to lead our country towards a better future. May a little bit of ano ko sa buhay. Ulitin ko to the people of my country, the Philippines. It was a fruitful and productive journey all this is. With the help of people of all, lahat na sectors who I thought early on who can help me build a better future for our children. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagbigay ng tiwala sa akin. At we are going to retire, but I will be just in Davao. And if there is a compelling need for me to talk, I will do it. But ang aking is, my drift is just really to retire quietly. No more politics for me. And all that I aspire, all that I want is a better country for this generation and especially for the next generation. kung may ano man ako, advocacy ko, it's really to protect the next generation. At alam na ninyo kung ano yan. I will not hesitate to no, by inaction. I'm referring to sa droga at criminality. All intended to protect you. Maraming salamat po.